Hello, all. A warm welcome to About Diaries. I am not a morning person. I really don't like waking up early in the morning. But this wish of mine can be fulfilled only during weekends. In fact, ever since my daughter has started going to school, I have to get up even earlier. But slowly I am getting used to this routine.
The perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody here is open for tonight, it's not too late. And says yes, you've been here.
After sending my daughter to school, now I make milkshake or something very light for my husband because he gets the breakfast and lunch in his office.
Or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home.
Today is not my weekly cleaning routine type of day, but there are still many other daily household chores that we do throughout the day. Like I have ordered some groceries for the kitchen, so now I have to put them in their place. So even if it's our normal daily routine, when you are not doing any deep cleaning or spending a lot of time in cooking something special, but you still find yourself busy with these little household chores.
Or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam.
Putting the stuff back in its place properly, which has used while cooking in the morning, so that the countertop remains tidy and clean. So, all these basic tasks appear to be very small but take up a lot of time to finish them. Like now, I have to put and arrange these washed utensils at their places. So, this way, the chores keep appearing one after the other, and our whole day goes on like this. Don't you agree? It's not that we change the bed sheet on daily basis that it wastes some of our daily time, but then some days we clean another room, sometimes the dining table, sometimes we clean the sofa, cleaning off mandir, kitchen napkins, etc. So basically a little bit of housework is always there for us on daily basis. But this daily cleaning is very essential also to keep our home hygienic and clean.
If I had some time, I'd be biting it well. But my house is on fire, there's no one left to tell. Just take what is given. The doors.
I do the laundry twice a week or as needed. Washing the clothes is also one of the big tasks for every homemaker, thinking about which will go in machine and which will be hand washed and all that. From washing the clothes to drying and folding them and then separating them for ironing is another a long and time consuming task for every house lady. For those who have a glass center table at home, it becomes even more difficult and becomes a separate task to clean, as it has to be cleaned at least twice a day, especially when you have kids at your home.
Black water, oh black water.
After following my daily rituals part puja and finishing my daily and necessary morning chores, now it's time for some paid puja. I'm going to make uttapam today. Not exactly uttapam, you can say suji or semolina pancake, because not only kids but we also want some changes in our daily food. So making it in a different way. For this I am using lots of vegetables. My daughter picks all the vegetables from her food and throws them away, so I am grinding all these vegetables finely in the chopper. You can add onion also. I am not using as we are not very used to of it. We use it only for selected curries and snacks like rajma, chole, etc. To prepare the batter, I am using only curd and no water. However, it's up to you. If you wish, you can add little bit of water also. Adding some basic seasonings to this like some salt, red chili powder, cumin powder and mixing it well.
You take all my wrongs and make them.
I will let it rest for some time and meanwhile I will prepare some more twist to add to this uttapam or pancake. Actually, my daughter loves to eat paneer and so I take advantage of it. So basically, I am going to add these paneer pieces in place of chopped vegetables on the batter at the time of cooking this uttapam.
Glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my.
For me, this is a very healthy and easy option to prepare something quickly. I am using some fruit salt or Eno to make instant and fluffy uttapam. So here I am pouring the batter filled with lots of vegetables and adding paneer cubes on top of it, where we usually sprinkle chopped vegetables to make uttapam in a general way.
I feel so free. I'm a sweet.
When I find difficulty to flip it out, I use a plate to flip the uttapam easily. As I already said, this is not actually uttapam but more like a pancake. So do let me know how did you like it. I would serve it with green chutney or coriander chutney. If you wish, you can prepare the traditional coconut chutney. For me, it tastes better with green chutney as it's not proper uttapam. I take a leave now and see you in my next video. Please do consider subscribing About Diaries. Bye.